In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create email template in Figma for your email marketing. Start by opening your design in Figma so you have your brand colors, logos, and any reference styles handy. Next, open the Plugins menu, search for Emailify and click Run. This plugin streamlines email creation by handling structure, responsiveness, and export for you. Inside the plugin, click Add New Email Container and give your project a clear name. This instantly creates a specialized frame optimized for standard email widths, typically around 600 pixels, so your layout stays reliable across different inboxes. Think of this as your master canvas where all email sections will live. Now it's time to add layouts. Browse the plugin's tabs header, content, CTAs, and footer to explore the pre-built modules. When you find a module you like, click it to add it to your container. You can stack multiple modules to build your email from top to bottom, keeping a logical flow from headline to body to call to action. And then your footer with required details. With your sections in place, customize them using Figma's standard tools. Update colors, swap fonts to match your brand, and replace placeholder images with your own assets. These modules are built with auto layout, which makes editing fast and predictable. Drag elements to reorder them, adjust spacing and padding, and quickly duplicate components. Keep text concise. Ensure sufficient color contrast for readability, and keep images optimized so your email loads quickly. For interactive elements, select any button or image layer and open the plugin's settings panel. Paste your target URL so clicks go exactly where you need, and add descriptive alt text. Alt text is essential for accessibility and is also shown when images are blocked. So make it clear and action-oriented. When you are happy with the design, click Preview in the plugin. You'll see a real-time HTML rendering of your email across different screen sizes and in dark mode. Use this to spot line breaks, spacing issues, and color shifts. If something looks off in dark mode, tweak colors or image treatments until everything remains legible and on brand. Finally, select HTML email in the plugin to download a zip file containing your production-ready code and images. This package is ready to hand off to your email platform or development team. That's it. Thanks for watching.